Most guys don't come here for my conversation.
Something's happening to me, Stevie. Some kind of plot. There was an accident at the shop. A man was nearly killed thanks to me.
Oh my God.
Now the guys at work are against me. They want me out, and I don't blame them. It's the way they're going about it. Their eyes and their little games.
What?
R-T-U-C-K-R.
Trevor?
Tucker?
Maybe you're taking this accident thing a bit too hard. I mean, if they wanted you out, they could just fire you.
I'm not worried about being fired.
Oh, what are you worried about?
I don't know yet.
There you go. Made to order.
Thanks. Surprise! Gotcha. That one's going on the fridge.
Here, let me get one of you and Nicholas. Now the carousel.
Just a minute. Okay, ready?
Smile.
It helps to push the button. Trevor, what is it?
This place brings back memories.
Good memories, I hope.
Yeah. I haven't been here since I was a kid.